Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video we are going to see that if you want to generate some random sample text which is used as a placeholder, some dummy text, or you can say the fake text, here's how we can do it. There is a simple command that you can write here. Let me just zoom it so that you can see it clearly. Write ran, open the parenthesis and close it. And make sure you don't put any spaces here. As soon as we hit enter, it will automatically generate some lines for you. So this basically generates the 5 paragraphs with a little text in each. Now, if you want to generate some more text, you can either copy this one and just keep pasting it downwards so that we can generate some random text and then we showcase it as a sample. But if you just want to specify in the formula about the number of paragraphs you want and the text or sentences in each paragraph that you want, you can specify that as well. Just write rand here, open the parenthesis, and we want, let's say, 20 paragraphs, and in each paragraph there should be 7 lines. So close out of here, hit enter, and as you can see, the data is much more than the earlier example. So this can be used as a placeholder. Now, similarly, if you don't want the English words, you want to use Lorem Ipsum format, that is a Latin format, Latin random words format. So if you want that one, you can easily access that one as well. Just write Lorem and the process will be same and the layout will be same. Just open and close the parentheses, and by default it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 paragraphs with some of the lines in each. But if you want to specify and need some more, we can specify that we want 20 paragraphs and 7 each or 8 each sentences in each paragraph. So let's hit enter, and there you go. This can be used as a placeholder as well. Now, after we have generated some random text, we can try different functions here. Let's say that I want to separate this text into different columns. I want to go to layout and try different things. For example, the column separation is set to 1. I need to set it to 2 or 3. Here it is, different samples are here. So whatever seems suitable, you can use that. So that's the main purpose of generating the random text that you can play along with. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.